teacher friends, in this video I'm going to share 3 ways to help you get ready for the end of the school year. By the end of the video, you'll have 3 activities that you can do this week to help make the time go faster between now and the end of the year. This video is the first video in the Teachers vs. Zombies Countdown to Summer. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to share a video per week, and each week I'll share 3 activities that you can do with your kids to help build community in your class between now and the end of the year, and to get you all ready before that last bell rings. And because it's Teachers vs. Zombies, I don't mean just plopping your kids in front of a screen. I'm going to share activities that your kids can do to help close up that little community that you worked so hard to build in your class. Stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how you can join the challenge. If you're new here, I'm Natalie Priester. I'm a teacher who likes helping other teachers. I've also spent more than 15 years in a classroom and more than 20 years at Girl Scout summer camps. Now that's important because at summer camps, at the end of each session, we have ceremonies to help the girls say goodbye to the friends that they have made over the past week, and I include some of those things in my classroom. So let's get started with this week's 3 activities. By the way, these are going in order from hardest to easiest. Activity number 1, plan a student-centered project. After testing is the perfect time to do that project that you just never got around to doing. If you don't know where to start, I suggest checking out the Buck Institute's project-based learning. You can do some design thinking or even a 20-time project. Since it's the end of the year, keep it simple. Don't totally go reinvent the wheel. Go to the Buck Institute and just use one of the projects or adapt one of the projects somebody else already made. If you have a little bit more time, pick up a book like Launch and go through that to learn more about design thinking, or pick up the 20-time project so that you can see big picture how to do a 20-time project. By the way, this has a lot of support in it too. I'll put links to these 2 books below. Anyways, the end of the year is the perfect time to do those projects to really give your kids some voice and choice. So give them more autonomy before they go on to the next grade. Activity number 2, plan a hard team building game. If you're one of my zombie fighters and those teachers who just gets it and understands the importance of relationships, I'm sure you already started your year with icebreaker activities. Well, now your kids have been together all year, so go back to your game book or favorite Pinterest board and pull up a really hard team building game. If you haven't heard about Breakout EDU yet, now is the perfect time to turn your classroom into an escape room. I'll put a link below and a link up here in the tag so you can go check that out. Games are important because after a whole year together, your kids are ready for a serious challenge that helps them feel like one group before they all split apart. Activity number 3. Schedule a guest speaker. Reach out to someone you know who can come into your class and speak to your kids. It doesn't have to be anyone fancy. In fact, the best guest speakers are probably just right down the hall or right down the street, because the perfect speaker is someone who is at the level right above your kids. So if you teach 4th grade, bring in a 5th grader. If you teach 8th grade, bring in a high schooler so that the kids can hear about what the next level will be like. Also, if you teach high school, it is a great idea to bring in alumni to come in and talk about what it's like just a few years after high school. By doing this, you help your kids to feel calmer about going into the fall, because it's always a little bit nerve-wracking to go to something when you don't know what to expect. So, zombie fighters, which of these activities are you going to try first? Leave it in the comments down below. Also, to join the Teachers vs. Zombies Countdown to Summer Challenge, all you have to do is do one of the activities and share it using the hashtag Teachers vs. Zombies, or post it in our Teachers vs. Zombies Facebook group. I hope to share out what one of you did in next week's video, so stay tuned. By the way, to make sure you don't miss next week's video, hit the subscribe button so that it comes up in your feed. Even better, hit the little bell so that you get an alert when my next video comes up. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button. If you loved this video, please hit the share button to share it with some of your zombie fighting teacher friends. Teachers, I know the end of the year is really hard, and it's just hard because summer's right there and everything's squirrely and there's so much going on, but stick with it, because before you know it, you'll be turning in your keys and heading into your summer. By the way, teacher friends, if we're not already friends, we should be. Please connect with me using my social media links down below. That's all. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time.